Get ready for the ultimate beach day on Disney's private island, Castaway Cay. Welcome to Castaway Cay. A day at Castaway Cay has to start with cabanas for breakfast. And if you're not eating Mickey waffles on your Disney cruise, did you even go? After breakfast, it's time to get off the ship early and get your day started.
Very nice. What are your names? Who and who is this one? Ooh, very nice. Don't be scared, mates. Please come on in. I'm a feisty pirate, but not with you, don't worry. Speechless. Yes, very secretive. Very good pirate.
There are plenty of maps and signs. There is also a tram to move you around, which can be great after a full day in the sun, but we decided to just enjoy the walk. Some of the characters are even in their beach outfits. There's plenty of shopping with lots of stuff that you can only get on Castaway Cay. There's also a few non-Disney shops selling local crafts and souvenirs. There are tons of beach chairs and umbrellas. The water is crystal clear and great to swim in. There are fun playgrounds out in the water with monkey bars, ropes, and a bridge. One even has water guns and a giant water slide. Disney offers lots of different excursions, like parasailing and a chance to hang out with real stingrays. We ended up picking a package that includes snorkel gear, a bike rental, and a raft. The snorkeling is perfect for first-timers like me. There were a few different fish and, of course, a few little Disney surprises. Once you've worked up an appetite, head over to Cookies or Cookies 2 for a barbecue lunch. Fill up on all-you-can-eat burgers, ribs, chicken, salmon, hot dogs, fruit, sides, and desserts. And just like on the ship, they have all-you-can-eat soft-serve ice cream. There's also a restaurant on the adults-only beach, Serenity Bay, on the other side of the island. After lunch, we grabbed a bike and went exploring. There's an observation tower with great views of the entire island. Kids can also enjoy their own private club called Skulls Cove. They have activities, a splash pad, and lots of sand toys. For the adults, they have plenty of bars serving all kinds of tropical drinks. When you're ready to head back to the ship, just follow the path or take the tram. Don't forget your Key to the World key card. Each member of your family will need it to get back on the ship. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.